This is the Edifier ES60, and it's a fantastic looking Bluetooth speaker. Something from the remnants of the past looking. It's quite a retro looking Bluetooth speaker. And if I turn it on, it's also got a light at the bottom. You hear it just connect there to my phone. That's how quick it is to connect. I think that is one of the best looking Bluetooth speakers that I've certainly seen in a long time. I've certainly had possession of in a long time. I actually think it really is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's very simple. There's not much going on. Simple controls. You've got a light, so you can turn the light on or off. Volume down, volume up, play, pause, turn off and on. Battery indicator, so I've got 3 out of 5. I've been using this all week. That's how good the battery is. You've also got, is it the other side? Right, there we go. This lens really does a really good job. You've got a microphone on as well. Basically, that's all I was trying to do. You've got a microphone. So you've got the microphone. You've got the Bluetooth indicator. It's all good in it, isn't it? Turn it around the other side. USB-C. You can plug this in, or you can use the battery life, or you can plug it in. So you can have it permanently plugged in, which is excellent. See how good that light is? It's just a very good looking speaker. You know what else this speaker has? 360-degree sound. Sound comes in the front. Sound coming from the rear. It's a very, very nice looking speaker. You know the only way I would improve this speaker is if that was a volume dial. It's not, sadly. Just a little Edifier emblem. Imagine. Little volume up, down. Brilliant. So basically anywhere that you wish to use a Bluetooth speaker, this is an excellent addition. So you think about it. You maybe have a smart device, but you don't like the look of it. You want to hide it. You want something a little bit more stylish. Pair it up to this. Wow, how cool is that? Not only that, it also comes in a gorgeous kind of cream color. It really is. I wish I had the cream color to show off, because it really is the best looking Bluetooth speaker I think I've ever seen in a long time. They really have got the design absolutely spot on, Edifier. You really do. So let's have a look at what we've got here spec-wise. We've got 36 watts of RMS power. Mentioned earlier, the 360 sound experience, front and back. Bluetooth 5.4. You've got 9 hours of playtime. Now, I've been using this all week. 9 hours, I think it's more than 9 hours, but it says 9 hours. It's IP66 rated for waterproof. So basically, you can have this next to the pool. You'll be absolutely fine. You've got a microphone, so you can take calls in it if you want to, or use it as a smart device. And it's USB-C, and you've also got lighting. So you can change the lighting. To a certain degree, you can change the lighting. It's a beautiful looking speaker. You can grab it, Amazon, Edifier website, or all good electrical retailers. I'll put the links in the description. I would do it in demonstration of how it sounds. It would be wasted because literally you'd just be putting it through my microphone. But it sounds good. It sounds good. It's a small Bluetooth speaker. You know, it sounds as good as what you expect it to. Links in the description.